Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to switch the language on your RBC trading dashboard? It's super easy. Here's how to do it in a minute. First, look up in the top left corner of your screen. See those three little horizontal lines? That's your menu. Aka the hamburger icon. Click it, then scroll down and hit settings. From there, go into general. Now under the language section, you will see a drop-down menu. Just click that and choose the language you want. English, French, whatever works for you. As soon as you select it, the platform will update to your new language right away. No need to restart anything. And that's it. Language switched and you are good to go. Like and follow for more quick tips. Got a question about RBC or trading tools? Drop it in the comments.